Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create an interactive ceiling section for VR in UE4. So I have set this little office environment and let me show you the ceiling object. It's basically a plane and the grid you can see is a separate object like that. So we will start by creating a material for our ceiling object. So right click, create a new material, give it a name, and because we have to create a cutting plane material, so the blend mode has to be masked. Then we will create a vector for our base color. So go ahead and press and hold V on the keyboard and click in any of the empty area. Give it a name as color. This will go into base color. We will make it white because we want our ceiling to be white. Then I have to add a box mask 3D. The result has to go into opacity mask, uh, but because we want the black value out of this, so we will just do 1 minus, and then this will go into opacity mask. In the A slot we have to add absolute world position so that we can specify a world location for our box mask. Next we have to create another vector, give it a name as location. This will go into B, but before we plug this into here, we have to mask this because this vector parameter has 4 values and the location has only 3 values, x, y and z. That's why we have to use box mask and mask R, G and B values, and then we have to plug this into this. Next we will create another vector for the size of our box mask. Give it a name as size, and we will use the component mask again, and this will be the size of our box mask. Finally we have to add a constant and give it a value of 1, and this will go into edge fall off. So that's it for our material. We will save it. Okay, so next we have to create an instance of our material. Give it any name. Apply that on the ceiling. Wait for the shaders to compile. I will just open this. So click on the location and size parameters. Let's make the size 200 by 200 for now, and keep the location at 0. So where is our 0 coordinate right now? If you want to find out where is your 0, you can just place an empty actor or cube in your scene, move it to 0, and you will see that our 0 is here. This UE4 cube is also 200 by 200, and that is why you cannot see any effect on our material at the moment. But if I make the size in the z-axis is 2000, then you can see that the ceiling plane has been cut, and then we can also increase the size or move it. And I only want this section to be only show the part where our light has placed, like that. So I will adjust the location parameter for my light, and I will just increase its size like that and decrease its size, move it into here like that, decrease its size a little bit. Okay, so that's fine. And now I will just play with this value of the size parameter to open and close our ceiling section. Alright guys, thank you for watching. In the next part we will be creating a blueprint to control the opening and closing of our ceiling.